In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix NSFW preferences not showing on Grok. So first head over to Grok and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then next is click on your profile icon at the top right. And here scroll down. And if you don't see NSFW preferences, all you have to do is from the settings screen, scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the setting report a problem. So click on this. So here you can choose report issue or bug. And here in this text box, simply describe the issue you're experiencing, which is you don't see the NSFW preferences setting from your account. Also include details like what device you're using. And here you can also attach a screenshot showing that the option isn't there. This helps support understand the issue faster. And once you're done, simply click on the submit button and wait for a response or update from the platform. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!